Okay guys, there aren't too many videos on this Honda Pilot. This is a 2006 Honda Pilot. I'm just putting a cabin air filter in it, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. You got to take the glove box out. You've got to take this little panel off over here, so it's pretty simple. There's a little plastic clip here that you pull out, and then this whole piece will pull out. And then of course your glove box, you're just going to kind of squeeze in and pull down. Once you've got the glove box pulled down, there's an 8mm screw here and an 8mm bolt. So you're going to get those two off. It's over here on both sides, 8mm here. That's an 8mm back there. There's a hole right here where you can get to that. And there's another 8mm right here. So basically, once you get this piece off, once you get the glove box out, then you're going to take this screw out. There probably should have been one over here, but mine didn't have it. Then you're going to you can just loosen this one, but take this one out. And then once you're loosened up, what you can do is you can take this bar and slide it down. And then your air filter is right here. You just open it here, pull this off, put your new air filter in, put this back on, pull your bar back up here, put all of your nuts and bolts and screws back in on each side, nuts, bolts, screws. Put your glove box back in, put your side panel on, and you're done. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but it's not so bad.